Let's get learn benefits of this asana. This asana is very beneficially for the spine. By practice this asana, each disc of the spine gets massaged, due to which the spine become flexible like rubber. By practicing this asana, the flow of blood increases, due to which the blood gets purified. Purification of bloods prevent skin diseases. By practicing this asana continuously, by thyroid and parathyroid glands get massaged well, due to which throat related diseases are cured. During the practice of this asana, the heart and brain get blood supply without any effort. Memory power increase, graying and hair falls goes away. Face become bright and it's good for eye diseases, and it's very beneficially for patient of diabetes. Excess fat from stomach and hips goes away.